on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Stratus 262VFK. Now the FK is going to stand for front kitchen, and you're going to see that in just one second when we get on the inside. But we're going to check out the camp side first. So you have a really good size awning, dual entrance, dual axle. But instead of having front pass-through storage, they opted for the rear pass-through storage. Obviously, it does go all the way through. You do have nice solid steps underneath both of those entry doors. But we're going to take a step on the inside of this camper and start with the front kitchen area. So if we step in, you can see your nice subway tile backsplash, single basin sink. They have a cutting board ready for you. Spice rack, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, oven. There are 2 bar stools that come with this camper to go here. And then across from all of that, you have your slide out. So 2 slide outs in this travel trailer all together. You have your fridge, your pantry right off of it with adjustable shelves. And then your theater seating. The cool thing about this theater seating is that the middle portion does flip up in case you do need some extra elbow room. But in the middle, you can find your charger and cup holders. Across from all of that, you're going to see your entry door, and right off of it, you have this pantry area. Now, this can just be extra storage for camping gear, or it is washer and dryer prep, so it doesn't take away from your bedroom wardrobe area like they usually do. Next to that, you're going to find your entertainment center. You have your smart TV, a little portable speaker. You also have your fireplace, and then we're going to check out your walk-through bathroom. So on the left-hand side here, you're going to see your porcelain toilet. You have your shower with your nice marbly looking aesthetic. You got your skylight. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to have your medicine cabinet, sink, just all up in the corner there with your storage down below. But the star of the show is going to be this main bedroom. You have a queen-size bed with shelves on either side, storage surrounding it. Is on a slide-out, so it really opens the space up. You have a little, it's almost twin size, but like a seat area so that you can sit, read a book. Maybe this is a place for the dogs to chill out. Plenty of cabinetry. That outdoor storage is also accessible via that entrance right there. But you see your dual entrance that we saw on the outside. It's going to be through your main bedroom, which is really nice. You have another smart TV, a little corner cabinetry, hooks. I just love this little bedroom area. It is so cute. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Stratus. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You have your fridge, your pantry right off of it with adjustable shelves, and then your